Did you know that winter holiday art is one of the most sold themes in the art licensing world? Imagine creating beautiful holiday icons in watercolor without even needing a paintbrush, all in Procreate. Hola, I'm Sandra Mejia and I'm a freelance illustrator and pattern designer, and my art has been used in a variety of licensing products. I've also taught illustration and pattern design to over 130,000 students, and today I want to share with you my easy digital watercolor technique in Procreate, the Holiday Edition. I'll guide you through creating wintry icons like pine tree leaves, poinsettias, mistletoe, candles, and more, perfect for the holiday season. By creating individual elements, you'll unlock endless possibilities because this gives you the ability to repurpose them for various designs, maximizing both your time and creativity. And the techniques that you'll learn here can be applied to themes all year round. You'll learn my easy watercolor technique, how to add watercolor paper textures to the icons while keeping a transparent background, and how to assemble this into greeting card designs, one of the best-selling products for artists like us. Plus, with the individual icons that you create, there's so much more that you can do, like designing wrapping paper, tags, or even product packaging. We'll cover each step from setting up your canvas to installing the brushes and color palette. Then we'll paint the festive elements one by one so you get to really master the technique. You'll get everything you need: my essential set of watercolor brushes, the sketches, my Procreate files with the base shapes already done, and the color palette, all to help you create amazing designs. Just bring the Procreate app, your iPad, and an Apple Pencil, and you're ready to create. And even if you're a total beginner, don't worry, I will show you every step of the process so you can follow along. At the end of this class, you'll have all these elements, plus 2 greeting card designs, and the skills to create so many more. So join me and let's get started creating holiday magic in Procreate.